Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the fastest growing tourist area in Jamaica, which is in Trelawny. It's actually Cooper's Pen. This is the fastest growing tourist area. Now, when you think of tourism, you think of Negril, Montego Bay, Ocho Rios. But Trelawny, this area especially, Trelawny is now being put on the map for tourism. You have the Falmouth cruise ship pier, #1 cruise ship pier, not only in Jamaica but the Caribbean. And then out here by Cooper's Pen now, you have a lot of hotels, some massive hotels being built. You have Oyster Excellence, and they are going to be building another hotel beside the one they have already in Cooper's Pen. You have Rio that's going to open a 754 room hotel in May in Cooper's Pen. And then beside it you have Royalton that has two hotels. They recently built one and the other one is there. And then on the other side of those two hotels, they're clearing land. I'm not sure what is going to be. Well, it's going to be a hotel. We know that. I'm just not sure which hotel it is. Will it be another one of the Royalton hotels? But this area is definitely one of the fastest growing areas in Jamaica in terms of tourism. Now, Jamaica is leading the Caribbean when it comes on to tourist expansion. Jamaica doesn't have the most hotel rooms. That is the Dominican Republic. But we have more rooms under construction than the Dominican Republic. We will eventually one day be the largest tourist destination in the Caribbean. One day. But we are going faster than all the other Caribbean countries combined. I'm going to give you an example. Jamaica has 3 projects to build hotels that are going to start this year. Each one of those developments is over $1 billion US. Over $1 billion. Now, other Caribbean countries probably have hotels 300 million, while Jamaica has 3 hotels over $1 billion. That's $3 billion compared to a country that has 300 million. That's just how much more investment is coming into Jamaica. Almost every major hotel brand that has a hotel in Jamaica is building another one. Rio is building their 7th. Secrets is building, I don't know if it's a 2nd or 3rd in Richmond. Marriott has a lot of different hotel brands. They're building more in Jamaica. Sandals building more in Jamaica. Once these hotel chains come to Jamaica, they love it and they expand. So now, with Trelawny growing so fast, the infrastructure in the area has to be expanded. And before we talk about that, the developments we're talking about is Bahia Principal is built. They have a hotel in Jamaica. The largest hotel in Jamaica is Bahia Resorts. And they are building 2 more hotels on the same property in St. Anne. You have the Pinnacle building 4 towers at 28 floors each in Montego Bay. You have Harmony Cove going to be building a massive development. You have Princess Resorts building a 2,000 room hotel. That might be the largest hotel in the Caribbean. I have to double check it. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. Okay. And there's another massive $1 billion investment on the North Coast. I'll talk about that one in another video. trying to remember the name of it, but then you have China Harbor Engineering Company, one of the largest construction companies in the world. They are actually buying land in Jamaica and putting up developments for themselves. I think Jamaica is the only Caribbean country that Czech has invested in like that. They usually come in, you pay them, they build the project, and they leave. But not in Jamaica. Jamaica, they are owning their own properties. So now with Trelawny growing so fast, and one of the reasons is because the government is putting in the necessary infrastructure for all these developments. The roads are going in, the fire stations are going in, the police stations are going in. The government just announced they're going to be building a massive fire station in Trelawny. And this station will be equipped with a lot of units so that the fire brigade can respond to fires that for on a building 20 floors and higher. Currently, the fire brigade can respond to buildings up to 10 floors. But with these new ladder units, they can respond to respond to fires that are up to 20 floors. So the government is investing in the development, and that's another reason why Jamaica is there's so much investment in Jamaica. Now, there is going to be two major highways that take you to Trelawny. Highway 2000 north-south leg, that's a toll road. It currently ends in Ocho Rios. They're going to expand it from Ocho Rios to Trelawny just because they see what's going on in Trelawny and they are basically leading the way for the development. They're going to be building one of the largest fire stations in Jamaica in Trelawny. And they just refurbished the Falmouth fire station and they're building another one even bigger than that in Trelawny because of all the investment going on. And then the Northern Coastal Highway now, so Highway 2000 is a toll road. You have to pay to use that road. It's going to Trelawny. And then you have the Northern Coastal Highway, which is not a toll road. It's going to be upgraded to 4 lanes, a dual carriageway, so you can get from Montego Bay to Trelawny on a first world highway. You can get from Trelawny to Ocho Rios, where you have all the major tourist attractions, on a 4-lane highway. So the government is definitely doing their part, and that is one of the reasons why Cooper's Pen is the fastest growing tourist area in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.